All eyes will be on you. I asked God, the creator, to only send this video to people who are stepping into fame. What I call new earth celebrities. People are sick and tired of these millionaire celebrities, the power elite. People want to hear from real humans. And if you're watching this video, then chances are that you will become a new earth celebrity. And yes, even if you have no followers, no platform whatsoever currently. Today I will share with you 3 things that you need to know as you step into this new, more famous, abundant part of your life. Because if you don't understand what's happening internally, you'll unconsciously shrink the moment attention arrives. The first thing you need to know is that your nervous system might be associating visibility with danger. I've noticed that with so many lightworkers, so many new earth celebrities, that they are terrified of being seen, even though they feel that this is the future, this is their path. When it comes to actually posting, putting themselves out there, they freeze. I have a student in Nomad Freedom Academy and she literally does musicals on stage, but posting online spiritual content, she freezes. And the reason why many spiritual people feel this way is because of the witch wound. We've had lifetimes where we have been prosecuted, tortured for sharing our truth, for staying in our power, especially as women. So this lifetime, our ego is trying to protect us. Remember last lifetime you got burned at the stakes, or you got your head chopped off because you were speaking your truth. You were sharing ancient knowledge and herbs and healing. So what's probably been happening if you've been sharing your gifts is that your body freezes, it tightens. So you procrastinate, you overthink your captions, you delay launching, or if you haven't started, you question whether you should even start or just stick to your comfortable job. Your nervous system is trying to keep you safe. And I am so guilty of this. I got so sad and scared every time I got a hate comment. I was also worried about how my family and friends would react if they saw my content. I would put a lot of effort putting on makeup, making sure everything is perfect in my environment, until eventually it hit me. Most people are too busy worrying about their own life. You have to remember, every person feels like they are the main character of their life. So even if they judge you, it will usually be just for a second. And then they're like, what's for dinner? Oh no, I just remembered what my boss said to me. Now I have anxiety. Most people are thinking about themselves. Visibility feels bigger inside your body than it actually is in reality. So affirm in the comments, I am safe being seen. So this week, I want you to practice expansion, to expand your nervous system. I dare you to post a small little post on your social media. Could be a short little story, an Instagram story, a little reel, Instagram reel, a little YouTube video. It can be just 1 minute. Sharing a truth from you, a lesson that you've learned maybe. Or it could be a photo post and then in the caption, write a truth. And then after you've posted, take some time off. Don't check every 2 minutes to see how many likes you got. Notice the tightness in your body. Let it settle. Feel how safe you feel. The second thing that your soul needs to hear is that visibility amplifies identity. When more people see you, they mirror back who you are. If your identity feels shaky, then visibility feels unstable. So what I want you to know is that your authenticity and life experience is your unfair advantage. So really own who you are. I remember when I was back in the spiritual closet and I didn't want to share with people that I'm spiritual, but now I lead with it. It's one of my quirks. And I now attract people and audience who are spiritual. If you hide it, if you hide who you really are, you're gonna attract a really mixed crowd who are not interested in your products and your content. And the easiest way to do this is to make sure that your soul is in charge and not your ego. And my best tool for that is daily meditation. Meditate for at least 10 minutes per day and you will see how your soul slowly starts taking charge of your life and the ego becomes the servant instead. And when you're that much in your soul, authenticity just happens automatically. So actually journal about this. Who am I when I feel grounded and honest? What are your boundaries? What is your energy like? What's your language? What are your habits? And if you want more guidance on how to really define who you are and what you're here to do on earth this lifetime, then check out my free guide, a link in the description, How to Find Your Purpose. When you download it, you also join my newsletter with freebies, and I tell you when my new videos are out. It's a lot of fun. Would love to have you in that community. The third thing that you need to know is that being seen requires energetic cleanliness. When visibility increases, everything unprocessed rises with it, like old insecurities, patterns, and fears. And attention acts like a magnifying glass. So instead of focusing on how many people are watching you, focus on what you are carrying. So literally write down, what are your insecurities? What are your fears? Awareness is always the first step in order to release them. And once you have all those negative things on paper, I want you to literally burn it, or if you wrote it on a toilet paper, you can even flush it down the toilet. Like make a ritual out of it to finally release it, because it's no longer part of you, right? Your soul is so pure, it doesn't belong to you, these old identities. And if you're a business owner, this energetic cleanliness can come there as well, this urge to simplify. And that happened for me as well. I used to have loads of different products and offers, and then I just cut them all out and focused on just one, my signature offer, Nomad Freedom Academy. And that increased my abundance, my views, everything in my business grew when I simplified it. So pick one main platform to post, one product to focus on, and I promise you, you're going to see so much more abundance, so much more views, because you're going to be so clear on who you are and who you target and what transformation you bring to people. And if you want more clarity on this, like what actually is your niche, what is the transformation that you want to bring to people, then feel free to book a business clarity call with us. On this call, you will also learn about Nomad Freedom Academy, see if you are a good fit. I see it a little bit as like a Harvard for light workers, but it takes much shorter time, just 10 weeks, and at a fraction of the cost. And I want to leave you with this. You are ready. You might not feel like you are ready to be visible, to be seen, to be a new art celebrity, but you are. And you build that confidence through messy action, through posting consistently, sharing your gifts freely, because you will never feel truly ready. It comes with practice. And how do you turn it into practice? Watch my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Love you so much, and see you in the next one.